In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning Polaroid effect using CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a vintage flair to your photos or just want to experiment with your video editing skills, this tutorial will guide you through each step to achieve that unique Polaroid aesthetic. To begin, you'll need to download a Polaroid frame PNG. There are plenty of options available online, so choose one that suits your style. Once you have your frame, go ahead and import it into CapCut. This will serve as the key element in creating the Polaroid look. Next, take your Polaroid frame and drag it to a layer above your photo or video clip on the timeline. It's crucial to have the frame on a separate layer so it can sit on top, much like how an actual Polaroid frame would encase a photograph. Now it's time to resize and align your photo or video inside the frame. Adjust the dimensions so that your content fits snugly within the borders of the Polaroid. This step might require a bit of finesse, as you ensure everything is aligned perfectly, giving the impression that your video or image is a part of the frame itself. To add a touch of realism, consider applying a shadow or grain effect to the project. CapCut offers various effects that you can layer over your image to mimic the textures and imperfections of an authentic Polaroid photo. Adding a shadow can give depth, making the frame stand out from the background, while grain can add texture often found in traditional film photography. Once you have your static image set up, why not enhance it with some animation? CapCut allows for a variety of animation effects, but a subtle zoom or gentle bounce can add a delightful, eye-catching touch to your content. These movements not only enhance the overall vibe of the old-school photo, but also create a dynamic effect that can make your project more engaging. Remember, each of these steps can be tweaked to fit your personal style and preference. It's this flexibility that allows your creativity to thrive in CapCut. Whether you're opting for a stark, minimalist frame or a well-worn vintage look, the choice is entirely yours. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to integrate a Polaroid effect into your media using CapCut. With a little practice, you'll be creating videos and images with this captivating effect like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing. Feel free to pause and replay sections of this tutorial